New Food Sunday. What do you think?
Snack Food Sunday.
Snack Food Sunday.
Edition of New Food Sunday.
Yeah. So there's some weird snacks that we came across, and maybe this is a bit of a stretch, but I think that this could actually work out.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
What do you have?
Grilled cheeseburger flavored potato chips, Dr. Pepper cotton candy, regular beef jerky to compare with this buffalo chicken jerky, which is probably going to be the weirdest, I think.
Probably. And we got this and this from Ollie's, and where do we get this from?
I don't know.
Walmart or something?
Maybe. Or Tops. I have no idea. Somewhere.
Well, why don't we crack that open? Ooh, and there's like a
Smells like a burger.
there's like a bad spot in there. See that?
Yeah.
Oh, oh God, our amazing hats flashed.
Yeah. Alright, well, I can smell the tomato on it. So, looks like a chip. There's some flavorings on it. I'm gonna eat it. Tomato and pickle are the strongest flavors for me.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if it's supposed to be ketchup or like tomatoes on a burger, but it looks like it's supposed to be ketchup. But yeah, pickles and tomato.
I could probably eat this all day, but I'm a big potato chip fan, right? Are you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It's not good for my heart,
Not getting a whole lot of cheese.
but I could eat this.
I'm not getting a whole lot of cheese, not getting a whole lot of beef, but okay.
Okay, so you know I like Dr. Pepper.
Mm-hmm.
32 flavors, right?
Something like that, yeah.
We got this from Ollie's. I think we already said that, but
It's cotton candy.
yeah. I'm guessing it's cotton candy that tastes like Dr. Pepper. What does it look like?
It's red. Pull some out.
Oh, man. It looks like the face of the baby from Eraserhead.
I'm sure that nobody can see that.
Oh God, it's in one piece.
Yeah, you gotta break the piece off.
Oh. From Eraserhead. Okay, so.
Yeah, just bust a piece off. It's gonna be.
Oh God, it looks like
It looks like
fiberglass.
insulation, yeah. It's like cotton candy. Ooh.
Hold on. Okay, so I got my piece. All right.
Okay. Ooh.
Kinda, not really.
More cherry than Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure is one of the flavors, but
They have like one of the 32 flavors locked down.
and sugar, which is probably another one of the flavors.
This is like sweet beyond belief.
Yeah, that's real. I mean, that's all cotton candy is sugar. So.
Yeah, well, I mean, I liked it as a kid, and as an adult, I mean, every now and then, but what is that? You see that?
It's just like extra concentrated flavors. I don't know.
It's like an alien! Okay, I'm not eating
Don't put on that.
any more of this. Here, put it in here. It's not Dr. Pepper.
Oh, maybe I'll eat some of it later. No, this one sort of failed at the flavor it was going for.
Get me more
Tastes like
cheeseburger.
cotton candy, but okay. Now we got the jerky.
Okay, so I've had jerky. I've had turkey jerky, deer jerky, beef jerky.
Bacon
I've had
jerky?
bacon jerky. Yeah.
Yeah.
That bacon jerky was horrible. But I've never had chicken jerky.
Here's beef jerky.
Mm.
I feel like the texture is going to be way different.
That's jerky.
Yeah.
That's all it is. Pretty good. Gets stuck up in your teeth though, you know? Pretty good. Alright.
Well, this is buffalo, so it's going to smell different. I don't know. That's huge. I don't want that big. I will take a piece this big.
It's a little bit off. This is not horrible, but it's a little bit off. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, it's very dry.
I mean, jerky's dry, but that's like extra dry. It's definitely chewier and softer than the beef jerky.
You can squeeze water out of this before you can squeeze water out of that.
It's probably chicken breast, which is pretty dry if you overcook it.
Are you getting like buffalo?
A little bit, yeah. I'm getting some like on the end, some like onion and buffalo type.
And I even have some of that jerky in my mouth right now, and like a little bit. Oh, it's so dry.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. It's just not like when you grab jerky. Okay, now bacon jerky was the same thing. It wasn't jerky. It was like bacon and jerky. It wasn't jerky. Like jerky is like beef or deer or buffalo, but chicken. This is dehydrated chicken.
Yeah. I don't know. It's okay.
Okay, so what I'm going to say is, no matter what kind of potato chip you have,
it's good, but I don't think this did a good job at being the flavor it was supposed to be.
No, this is more like a pickle chip. Oh, that's the one that we're talking about.
Yeah.
The one with the bad spot.
I don't think it's bad. Just like extra crunchy.
Does it look like a good spot?
It's an extra crunchy spot. I don't know. The most true to its name is probably this buffalo chicken jerky.
Yeah, it's true to its name. It really is. I mean, you get like a chicken thing.
Yeah, this is probably number 2, and then this just tastes like cherry.
This is a fail.
Yeah.
This.
Don't manhandle it like that.
I'm sorry.
Eat some later.
Yeah, we're gonna save it
I might want to eat some later.
That's on you.
Okay.
Those are edible.
Yeah.
Those are not good though.
No, they're not.
They're
great.
okay.
Yeah.
Regular beef jerky. I like. This one is like Sweet Baby Ray's. It's a Rickford brand. Sweet and spicy. I think I understand why this was in the discount rack at Ollie's.
Yeah. Probably didn't sell very well.
Yeah, turkey jerky works better than chicken jerky. Chicken jerky is not good.
As you put more in your mouth.
As I put more in my mouth. Okay. Wow.
I think that's it.
There's a lot of crows out there.
Yeah. We put some bread out in the yard. They're probably eating that.